alẹ́ ọba yìí èmi ètò àbò wọn olólùfẹ́ wọn number one crush wọn Ondo of Africa ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́ lónìí mo tuntun wá sí wọn náà ètò à ń ṣe mo tuntun padà wá náà ni tell me to my peeps how you doing your baby girl Ondo of Africa Ade your Rachel ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́ lónìí ìdí continue níbi mo stop ní ọ̀fọ̀ àwọn street yogi Ondo street names that we have in Ondo town that start with Ondo, okay, and Idi. Today I'm going to be discussing about the one of Idi. I want you to know that all the street names I'm going to mention, they are not limited to this. It's possible your street name is not there. If not there, kindly comment at the comment section. So, the first street name I have here with me is Idishin. Idishin. Wogi Ondo. Where my Idishin? We no Ondo. Where my edition, Ondo, where the my edition? Possible. Ondo, where diaspora, where the my edition? Possible. My by Jabuku edition is a very, very popular place in Ondo. Very, very popular. If you know Yaba left you. Yaba no Ondo, me too. Leko. Yaba ni Ondo. There's a roundabout there called Edition. See, roundabout Idishin. About to koja roundabout Idishin. Idishin is a very popular place in Ondo town. Another street name that starts with Idi is Idimoge. Idimoge is very, very popular too. Very, very popular. Wole gba General Wole, gba January Wole. Odo ba ti gba be wole ja sí Idimoge. Láti Idimoge wole gbona ọjà lọ. Yes, so Idimoge is also a popular street in Ondo town. Another street name I have here with me is Idimlegiri. Àwọn kọ́kọ́ place yogi Ondo yẹn. Àwọn very, very kọ́kọ́ place. Àwọn Ogido Ondo, àwọn àdúgbò Ogido Ondo yẹn. Yeah. And there's this street name that I used to hear. Anytime I hear the street name, it's very, very funny to me. Me be funny to me, child. Idim Liwaja. From the name, you know that people that are living there. Oh my God, they are the Idim Liwajas. They are the Idim Liwajas. So Idim Liwaja is one of the popular streets that we have in Ondo. Another street name we have is Idim Lokun. Very, very popular. Idim Lokun is very popular too. Idim Lokun. Another one I have here is Dingbodu. My boy Dingbodu. Another street name. Dubai side Ogbodu. Where my Ogbodu na. Ori gogo yi o se won egbe gogo yi. Mo fe gba Idimoge. Dingbodu. Ori anjo megbe kan awon abeye. So Dingbodu too. There's another street name that we have in Ondo town that starts with Idi. Another one is Idim Loro. We can go Loro. Tó bá ti kúrò ní bá kúrò ní kẹ́wọ́n ti pé rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ọ̀nà ọjà fẹ́ gbà táwọn olùwọlé o gba ibi odò ṣídà yẹn òkè ṣídà wo kọjá òkè pàdé wo lọ sáìdì bẹ́ẹ̀ àkù díẹ̀ ló já sí ibi last bus stop ibi àwọn kókó yẹ àwọn ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀wọ̀n dúró sí dẹ̀wọ̀n tí control ẹ̀ wọ́n wọ̀ sí ẹ̀ Idim Loro wà o lè gbà kan náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àgbọ̀wọlé sí lọ́rọ̀ náà àwọn orúkọ Yorùbá yẹn láti ìdí èyí. We have Idiroko too is another street name that we have in Ondo town. These names I've been mentioning, they are more than that. It's possible you not hear your street name. Kindly drop a comment at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button. And if you want more video, make I give you now updates, something with the happen. What do you want to know about Ondo town? Comments. Thank you. Bye.